we roller skated when we were small, all over town. We did a lot of roller skating. And one thing I remembered was there was a man in town who is Colleen Larson's father. His name was Bill Turkington, and if ever we were downtown, he would tell us, hurry up and get downtown to the drinking fountain because there's lemonade coming out of the drinking fountain. So I remember that when I was growing up. I was pretty small. When I was about in junior high school, I started delivering papers, and my sister and I, and it was the Des Moines Register. So it came in to Kingsley on the train, and we had to go down to the depot after school and get our papers and then deliver them after school. And I had one part of the town and she had the other part of the town. It wasn't such a big job during the week, but on the weekends, a lot of people in Kingsley took the Sunday Des Moines Register, so we had a lot of papers to deliver on Sundays. But on Sundays, they came in on a truck, and they dropped them off at the post office. So we'd have to wait for the truck to come in. Usually it came in early, but in the wintertime, sometimes it wouldn't get in until like middle afternoon. So there was a little restaurant over there by, kind of where the Pizza Hut is, but it was called Squeaky Joe's. And he was always very good to us. He knew us because my grandfather had run a lumber yard down from that, and we spent a lot of time there. So lots of times on Sundays, when our papers were late or something, we'd go over to Squeaky Joe's to keep warm and spend time talking to him until our papers got in.